How to log into your Samsung account on iPhone. So first of all, simply open your Safari, and then from here in the search bar, simply search for samsung.com. After searching for samsung.com, we'll get to the official website of Samsung, from which you can simply tap on the profile icon right here. After doing that, all you need to do is write down your phone number or your email address right there. After writing down your email address, simply tap on Next. Then from here, all you need to do is write down the password of your Samsung account. Or if you want, you can simply tap on Verify with one-time email and do with that process too. After entering your password, all you need to do is tap on Sign In. And then from here, you can see since the Samsung account policy has been updated, I need to agree with the terms and condition again. So simply tap on Agree. And just like this, simply tap on Stay Signed In, just like that. And in here, you can see we have successfully been logged into our Samsung account on our iPhone. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.